How to check SafePal transaction history. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on SafePal and wondering how to check your transaction history, then here is how you can do it in few simple steps. Start by launching open the SafePal application on your device and sign into your account or unlock your wallet. Once you're inside, you'll land in the wallet dashboard. Here you'll see your crypto balances on the page. Tap on the specific cryptocurrency you want to check. I'm just going to click on this over here. And once you do that, after selecting the cryptocurrency or the coin, you'll see the list of your transaction under the transaction tab. Here, it usually shows the amount, date, and status. You'll be able to see your sent transactions, received transactions, and pending transactions. In my case, there is no transaction or no data yet because I have not made any. But if you have, you'll be able to see it right here on this page. You can also filter the transaction by tapping on the receive, send, unconfirmed, and network fee options. So that's it. Super easy, isn't it? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.